And next we have Video Guys Tech Tip number 2, and this tech tip comes from my guy Adam, who's run into this a lot, and that is that a lot of times you want to do an audio mix where you want more than one person mic'd up, or you want some mic and some music, and a lot of people kind of miss what's going on. So what I'm saying is remember that stereo, by definition, gives you 2 channels of audio, because I don't speak in stereo, I speak in mono. Adam speaks in mono. We all speak in mono. So if you have 2 people you need to mic, you can put one on the left channel, your host can be on the left channel, your guest can be on the right channel. The picture we have here is an inexpensive mixer for $200 that we use for our show that lets you take in 2 mics, and it basically uses left-right mixing for you to set your own mix. So it actually comes in as a single stereo channel into your device, but it lets you do an audio mix. So very cool, love it, and I want to remind everyone that if they're, whatever the device they're using for encoding or recording offers 2 channels, they can now take advantage of that by having one mic going to the left, one going to the right. Better to have them coming through some kind of mixer that can balance that audio for you, but either way, you can get the 2 channels.